Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the battery granny model and battery chemistry so you choose the right profile and safety limits. Once done, attach the provided cable and adapter to a stable power source and lay components on a clean surface to avoid shorts. Make sure the device is powered off before you connect anything. Doing this prevents automatic draws. You'll also back up any settings if the granny will interface with a smart device, because restoring is easier than troubleshooting lost configurations. Now you configure the battery granny for the specific cell by entering capacity and chemistry. This ensures accurate charge algorithms and prolongs life. Next, set charge voltage and discharge cutoff, such as 2V max and 0.05 C end, because correct limits prevent overstress. Once those are set, run a short 10% charge-discharge cycle to validate behavior and monitor temperature. If readings look normal, proceed to full conditioning. If not, double-check your inputs and connections before continuing. Finish by running a complete conditioning cycle so the granny balances cells and records capacity. That finalizes calibration. After conditioning, store batteries at their recommended float voltage if you won't use them immediately. This preserves health. If anything goes wrong, first stop charging and inspect polarity and all connections, because most faults stem from simple wiring or loose clamps. Make sure firmware is current. If issues persist, reset profiles and repeat the short validation cycle to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.